Cyclic AMP, the second messenger. Earl Sutherland knew that epinephrine somehow caused glycogen breakdown, but his question was, how does epinephrine cause glycogen breakdown without actually entering the cell through the plasma membrane? Of course, now we know that the second messenger is what transmits the signal from the plasma membrane to the metabolic process that triggers it. CAMP, or cyclic adenosine monophosphate, is one of these second messengers. CAMP activates a kinase that phosphorylates various proteins. CAMP pathway, which converts ATP to CAMP, causes various cellular responses, one of them being the breakdown of glycogen. So here's how CAMP pathway works. First, a signaling molecule, for example, epinephrine, binds to the G protein-coupled receptor. The binding of the signal molecule causes conformational change in the receptor, which in turn triggers the binding of G protein on the cytoplasmic side. When the G protein binds to the receptor, GTP displaces GDP, activating the protein. The binding of G protein also activates adenyl cyclase, the enzyme that catalyzes the conversion of ATP to CAMP. If you take a look at this diagram, adenyl cyclase converts ATP to CAMP, and pyrophosphate is released. CAMP that is produced, however, does not last long in the absence of signaling molecules because another enzyme called phosphodiester converts CAMP to AMP through the addition of water. So when CAMP is present, it activates protein kinase A, a serine/threonine kinase that phosphorylates proteins. These phosphorylated proteins may in turn activate other proteins that cause multiple cellular responses to occur. Now that we know the role of CAMP in G protein signaling pathways, we can now understand at a molecular level how certain bacteria cause diseases. In case of cholera, a bacterium called Vibrio cholerae, once entering the body, releases toxins, enzymes that modify the conformation of G protein. Because of the change in its shape, the protein cannot be hydrolyzed, thus continuously synthesizing CAMP that causes salt and water to be secreted out uncontrollably. Another similar pathway, called the cGMP pathway, controls the relaxation of smooth muscle cells lining the artery wall. A compound that inhibits the hydrolysis of cGMP can prolong the effect, allowing more open blood flow to the heart, for instance. Viagra is the drug that inhibits the cGMP hydrolysis and is used to treat heart pains.